Master crucial CNA time management strategies to enhance your efficiency and reduce stress in any healthcare setting. Effective time management is crucial for success in the CNA certification exam. Both the written exam and the skills test require careful planning and efficient use of time. Whether you are answering multiple-choice questions or demonstrating your ability to perform essential CNA tasks, managing your time will help you stay calm, reduce stress, and ensure that you complete all required sections of the exam within the allotted time. This lesson provides key time management strategies to help you optimize your performance and succeed in both parts of the exam. Importance of time management in the CNA exam. Time management is one of the most critical skills you need to succeed on the CNA exam. Written exam time management. The written exam typically consists of 60 to 100 multiple-choice questions. You will have 90 minutes to 2 hours to complete the exam, depending on the testing center and the specific exam version. Skills test time management. The skills test is a practical exam where you will demonstrate essential nursing tasks. Typically, you will be given 20-30 minutes to complete the skills portion of the exam. Balancing speed and accuracy. Don't rush. While time is limited, rushing through questions or skills may lead to mistakes. Focus on completing tasks accurately while managing your pace. Stay calm. Panic can cause you to rush unnecessarily, so stay calm and follow the process step by step. Time management for the written exam. How to approach multiple-choice questions. Allocate time per question. Aim to spend about 1 minute per question for the written exam. If you are working on a 90-minute test with 75 questions, you can divide your time evenly. If a question is particularly challenging, move on and come back to it later. Time management strategy. If a question feels too difficult, 1. Skip it and return to it later. Mark it and move on to other questions. 2. Answer easier questions first. Answer questions you are confident in so that you have more time for the difficult ones. Review time. Aim to leave 10 to 15 minutes at the end of the exam to review your answers. This allows you to double-check difficult questions and make sure you haven't missed anything. Focus on accuracy over speed. Take your time on complex questions. Some questions may require more thought and careful consideration. Spend extra time on these, but always aim to complete the exam within the allocated time. Avoid second-guessing. When you feel confident about an answer, trust your initial choice. Second-guessing can waste valuable time. Time management for the skills test. Understanding the skills test format. The skills test involves demonstrating 5 to 7 essential CNA tasks, such as hand-washing, patient transfer, and taking vital signs. You will typically have 20 to 30 minutes to complete all tasks, depending on the number of skills tested. Stay focused. Focus on completing each skill efficiently without rushing. Keep in mind that each skill has a specific checklist that the proctor will follow. Practicing hands-on skills. Practice makes perfect. Before the exam, practice each skill repeatedly. Know the procedure for each skill and practice it until it becomes second nature. Break each skill into steps. Divide complex skills into smaller, manageable steps. This will help you complete the skill more quickly and with greater accuracy. Prioritize key skills. Know what's most important. While all tasks are important, some skills, such as hand-washing or vital signs measurement, are likely to be tested more often and should be prioritized in your practice. Practice efficiency. While performing each skill, work on being efficient and precise, but don't sacrifice safety or procedure for speed. Time management tips for both written and skills tests. 1. Use the mark and return technique. Mark for review. If you come across a difficult question or skill, mark it and move on. Don't waste time getting stuck on one problem. Returning to it later with a fresh perspective can improve your chances of answering correctly. 2. Manage breaks and rest periods. During the written exam, if you feel yourself becoming fatigued, take a short mental break by closing your eyes for a moment or stretching to refocus your mind. For the skills test, make sure you're taking short pauses to breathe and maintain your focus. Proper rest during the test can help with clarity and accuracy. 3. Set realistic goals. Set mini goals. Throughout your study period and on exam day, set small, realistic goals for each task. For example, aim to finish the first 20 questions in the first 20 minutes and leave the last 10 minutes for review. Summary of key concepts. Here are the topics and key points. Time allocation for the written exam. Spend 1 minute per question and review your answers at the end. Skip difficult questions and return to them. Time management for the skills test. Practice essential CNA tasks repeatedly, stay efficient, and focus on safety and correct technique. Don't rush. Focus on accuracy rather than speed. Complete easier questions or skills first, then return to the difficult ones. Use time wisely. Allocate time for breaks, review, and don't get stuck on any one question or skill for too long. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we discussed the importance of time management in the CNA exam, providing strategies for both the written exam and the skills test. By allocating time wisely, staying calm, and practicing key skills, you can approach the exam with confidence and increase your chances of success.